Hi, this is Mathia Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're going to make kale and pomegranate salad. I'm going to show you a way to make kale taste so delicious in your salad that you're going to want to make it all the time. So for this salad, we're going to use kale, obviously, as our green. We have pomegranate oreals, which are like the seeds that are inside a pomegranate, feta cheese, and pecans. So that's kind of the salad ingredients. The dressing is olive oil, ground mustard, balsamic vinegar, honey, and garlic. So let's start with making the dressing. I love to use just a jar, and so I'm just going to pour all the ingredients into the jar, and then we're gonna put the lid on and shake it up. Mustard and garlic. Make sure you put the lid on tight. You don't want it opening. There's our dressing. So we're just gonna cut this kale up into smaller pieces so it's easier to eat. I'm just gonna set it on my clean counter and then put it back in the bowl because that's the bowl we're gonna use when we're done, when we make it all together. So just kind of cut it into strips. Just making it a little smaller. I already removed the stems, which are hard in the middle, from these before I started. So you definitely do not want those in your kale salad. All right, now that those are all chopped up, this is the secret. You take half of the salad dressing and you put it on there. And you're gonna do what's called massaging the kale. So it's really just going in, and you do this for about 2 minutes until everything is coated in the dressing. But this process just helps the kale to kind of not be bitter. And of course it gets your salad dressing on everything, but I just know that it really makes a difference in how good this salad tastes. So next time you have a kale salad, put on the dressing and massage it. It enjoys the spa treatment. You do this for about 2 minutes. Okay, we've massaged the kale for about 2 minutes. As you can see, it's really gone down in size, and it's just all seasoned with the dressing. So I'm gonna wash my hands and put the rest of the ingredients in and mix it up. All right, now I'm gonna add the pomegranate seeds, the feta cheese, and the rest of our salad dressing. And let's get a spoon and start to combine. All right. This is a super easy salad to make. After you massage the kale for 2 minutes, you just mix everything in and it's ready to go. It's a nice wintry salad, but it also is good any time of the year. That sweetness from the pomegranates, so good. So there's your mixed salad. And it really gives you a huge serving. So this is 2 people, which means that's a lot of salad. It can be a meal or it can be your appetizer if you're super hungry. And then you just sprinkle about a half a tablespoon of pecans on there. And there is your salad. Now let's taste it and see how good it is. Those pomegranate seeds are crispy and they're so good.